Hey!
Hello!
Welcome to Venturing Out number 10. We're gonna go to a super secret location today.
Super far away.
Yeah, it's gonna take us
for a trip.
It's gonna take us a while to get there. Yeah. Great montage coming up. So we better get started right away. Let's go. Alright, we're here. Alright, we're here. It took forever. I'm sweating already.
I'm spaghetti.
Cassie, they're majestic. Oh, she's coming over.
Jesse, I'll call over.
Jesse, I have an idea.
Cassie! Cassie!
Jesse, I have an idea. Let's take Nutmeg this time. We'd left her out so many times. Let's just bring her along.
We're Nutmeg.
Come on, Nutmeg. You ready to go on a venturing out?
Nutmeg.
Come on.
Let's go.
He has no idea we're right next to him. Wonder how close we can get without him noticing us. Nutmeg, help me! Nutmeg, help me! Help me, Nutmeg! Help me! I'm stuck down here. Oh, jeez. Thank you, Nutmeg.
This is exhilarating, astonishing, and whoa! Wow! No!
In case you didn't know anything about this location, this is my house. Welcome. We don't have much comment. Jeez. Well, Jesse's lost it. I'm going to...
Sean? Sean?
Oh, I lost my hat.
Sean? 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 We got here about a 10-pound chihuahua, good looking. Now it's about time to gut her.
Yep.
Yeah, just use your bare teeth there. She won't mind.
Harry. Food, 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 food.
Whoa, his beak. Whoa, that was all messed up. Whoa. It's crooked. Come here, guy.
You could call me Apple Man. No.
Things are getting there. Ow, my feet. I actually did. am soft. Like a baby.
Just your short shorts. All the YouTube girls are going crazy.
Proud.
You're like Tweety Bird.
I thought. Tweet! I am not occasion.
Ugh, it's a demon.
Alright, I'm getting down.
Okay.
This tree is making me into a crazy person. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for joining us for the 10th episode of Venturing Out.
Number 10.
2-digit number. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and all
and
that.
Cassie will love you.
And all the dogs
Thanks,
will love
Courtney.
you for it. Yep. For letting us hold your dog.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
Bye. You've been great.
Bye bye. Bye.
Hey, Duel Tuber subscribers and non-subscribers alike. We realized we didn't upload last week. We took a week off because we have lives.
Super busy.
So we've been at this, this is the 10th venturing out. We didn't really expect so much, you know, letdown on the week off. So we apologize. We'll notify you in the future ahead of time.